Alright. Um, I wrote a poem a while back, well, maybe a couple months ago, and it is called S.O.S for Saving Our Son. Now, I wrote this poem because, for number one, the role models, the male role models that we have that you see on TV for African American men are not always positive. It's just ridiculous. So that's basically what um, inspired this whole poem. I ain't gonna name no names or whatever because people get sensitive, like they actually know these people. Like, you don't know these people, but anyway, this is my opinion. Um, so that's what it's about. Here it goes. You like it? Let me know. If you don't like it, I don't care, but you can let me know that too. Alright, here we go. I just wish that you would pull up your pants, correct your stance, look presentable. To me, you're despicable. There's no reason our 8-year-old boy should be grabbing his nuts. Trying to act tough, following the example he was given, sucked in due to condition he lives in. What up, blood? What up, cuz? What up, G? What up, my nigga? You figure 75% of these boys grow up without a father. Some do the bare minimum, and some don't even bother. Killing, robbing, stealing, banging, and slinging. This is what our sons are doing. Abraham, he signed for our freedom, but we still in chains. We free, but slaves all the same. Killing each other, taking sons from mothers. And what's worse, we have no remorse. When the murders happen, you can't go to the source because nobody saw a thing. Yet they stood right there on the scene, but won't say because that's snitching. No, we just want street justice. Just this never-ending cycle of death. We kill who killed him, then they kill who killed them, on and on and on. Another rest in peace T-shirt. Another family hurt. I just wish you would be a man. Take a stand. Raise your sons. Raise your daughters. Women are mothers and fathers, because 75% won't bother. And then they wonder why the need for welfare. We need health care. We want to eat. Single moms have kids to feed, clothes to provide. Then they wonder why he has a flick in his wrist. There was no man, only female influence. Or he's influenced by the ones on the block. Soon he begins to sell crack rock. The cycle has to stop. So, who will be the one to stand up and save our son? Shout out Barack Obama. That is one positive African American male influence. No matter if you hate him or not, he the president. Don't want to hear this song. My mom used to love this song. But anyway, um, that's how I feel about our young African American males today, and I hope and pray that it will change. But who knows? It's just never ending. Hope you like it. Saving our sons. Let me know what you think. Like, comment, all that good stuff.